Hello, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of AI-enhanced coding? Today, I'm thrilled to share some of the latest updates in Visual Studio Code that will supercharge your coding experience. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel like your coding game just leveled up. First up, let's talk about Copilot Edits. This new feature allows developers like you to make changes across multiple files in just a snap. Just imagine, no more endless back and forth between files, trying to remember what changes you made. You simply provide a prompt, and AI suggests code edits right in your workspace. For instance, think about this. What if you are updating a large project across several files? With Copilot Edits, it's like having an extra pair of hands. It can suggest changes based on the context of your code, ensuring everything fits together seamlessly. And for those juggling multiple projects, the latest version of VS Code now supports simultaneous logins to multiple GitHub accounts. That means you can easily switch projects without needing to sign in and out again. A real-time saver, right? Speaking of multitasking, let's not forget Copilot Chat. It's now available in the secondary sidebar, which means you can have a conversation with your AI assistant while keeping your coding view intact. No more fighting for screen space, just productivity at your fingertips. Now, here's a cool part. You can even get instant AI feedback on your uncommitted changes. This is a preview feature that lets you review your code and receive actionable suggestions to improve quality before pushing those changes live. Imagine being able to polish your code without any hassle. Let's get back to managing multiple accounts. If you're balancing different roles, this feature is a godsend. No more confusion or accidental commits to the wrong repository. You'll seamlessly manage everything from a single interface. VS Code 1.9.5 also introduces simpler settings management. You'll now see indicators for experimental and preview settings, so you can quickly determine what features are available for exploration. This is all about making your coding environment cleaner and more efficient. The editor itself sees improvements too. With adjustable occurrence highlight delays, you can customize your coding experience. It's all about giving you control, so your coding flow feels just right. And if you're one of those folks who loves VS Code for the web, you're in luck. The latest version now supports local file events, allowing real-time updates when file changes happen outside of your browser. This optimization helps streamline your workflow, especially in collaborative settings. As programmers, we thrive on collaboration. That's why I'm passionate about building a community where we can share insights and improve our skills together. If these updates excite you, imagine discussing them with like-minded individuals who share the same passion. While GitHub Copilot might lead the AI tools for developers today, let's not forget how important it is to stay innovative and adaptable. Just like any effective team, responding to feedback and traction in the coding world is critical. Since its launch almost 3 years ago, GitHub Copilot has activated over 1 million developers and has contributed to generating more than 3 billion lines of code. That's some powerful impact in the developer community. And while we talk about GitHub Copilot, let's take a moment to acknowledge competitors like Cursor. It's easy to think that Copilot has the upper hand with its vast features, but competition keeps innovation alive, pushing both tools to cater better to user needs. Every tool has its strengths, so while Copilot integrates seamlessly with various IDEs offering instant context-aware suggestions, tools like Cursor aim for deeper project context. Depending on your workflow, one may suit you better than the other. So, which tool elevates your coding experience? That choice is uniquely yours, shaped by your personal needs and preferences. The key is to leverage whatever tool optimally helps you with your coding projects. But if you need general-purpose coding suggestions with vast language support, GitHub Copilot undoubtedly reigns supreme. Its ease of integration into existing workflows makes it a favorite among developers. I'm genuinely grateful for the advancements in AI tools that allow us to code more robustly and efficiently. The feeling of ease those updates bring is what we as developers seek every day, and it makes our coding sessions more enjoyable. Now, as someone who continuously explores coding enhancements, I strive to bring valuable insights to you. I appreciate your support as I work to improve our video content and cultivate a space where we can share our experiences as developers. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts. If you've used any of these features or have a tool preference, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback will help shape future community discussions and enhance this channel. If you find this content valuable, make sure to show your support with likes and shares. Your engagement helps me understand what resonates with you and enables me to make continuous improvements. This is all about collaboration and teamwork. Imagine a place where we can brainstorm coding challenges and share tools that make us more effective. Together, we can build a vibrant community of developers. As we march forward into the future of coding powered by AI, let's embrace the possibilities. Just like any great journey, innovation keeps us moving, so stay tuned for more amazing updates as we unravel deeper into this world. Let's celebrate these milestones together, cheering for advancements that uplift the developer community. Every line of code we create is a step toward a brighter and more efficient future. Ultimately, as we tackle challenges and embrace the complexity of modern software development, tools like Copilot will continue to evolve to meet our needs. Let's make sure we use these tools wisely and effectively. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this content and want to explore more about AI and programming, hit that subscribe button. Together, we can create a community that learns and grows in this thrilling tech landscape.